Welcome to Racial Justice Now's course on organizing, advocacy, policy strategies, and leadership development. My name is H.A. Jabbar, co executive director of Racial Justice Now, and we have an amazing course put together for all of those organizers, policy professionals, the many people that work in the nonprofit industry, the community, or those who seek to create change. We've put a special course together based on the history of racial justice now, one of the most significant grassroots organizations in the nation. This course, again, called Organizing, Advocacy, Policy Strategies, and Leadership Development, is a course that we have developed over our 13-year history. What we're going to do today is we're going to review our 13-year history while weaving in the topics of organizing, advocacy, policy change, and leadership development. And we're also going to talk about building power.